How to remove thread posts from feed. In order to remove thread posts from your Instagram or Facebook feed, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to open the Threads app on your device. After you're logged in, then you could just go to the profile page. Here you'll be able to see all the posts that you've made. Now all you need is just go ahead and tap onto the menu bar at the top right corner. As you do this, you want to go to privacy and you just want to make sure to select suggesting post on the other app. Here it is. Once you've done this, you could toggle off the button for Instagram and Facebook, and this is how you're going to remove thread posts from feed. And if you see a thread post in your Instagram feed you dislike, you could just tap on the three dot menu on the post and select hide as well. So likewise, this is how you're going to remove thread posts from your feed. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.